Anybody else?
So, give us some tips on the time management.
Oh yes, time management. Actually, it just requires a little bit of discipline. Why? Because some of us are scared to make a time. Make a time. Once you make a timetable, time management becomes easy. Then decide which subject for me needs more time. Naturally, English would need, say, 1.5 hours a day, but GK would need 3 hours a day, and maths probably 1 hour every day. So, and then newspaper reading, I told you 1 to 1.5 hours. Then I told you physical exercises you got to do. So, unless you make your timetable, you're not managing your time. Either you will be too thrifty or too extravagant. जैसे हमारे तनख्वाह आती है ना, तो कुछ लोग लिखते नहीं हैं कि इसके लिए इतना चाहिए, इसके लिए. Either they are too कंजूस or they are too extravagant. Make a time. You will be able to manage time. That is one. Second, all of your mobiles, download an app like Notepad. उसमें important formulae, tricks, ये सब नोट करो. बस के लिए वेट कर रहे हो, खोल लिया मोबाइल. सब सोचेंगे आप व्हाट्सएप चेक कर. बस में बैठी बैठी 2 पीरियड के बीच में टाइम है, तो इंस्टेड ऑफ गॉसिपिंग, look at your notepad. Those of you who were not carrying mobile, like in my time, I used to carry chits. So, ये चिट क्लास में निकालो, खोलो. But I never carried a rubber band. You know, otherwise there was some, some stick का काम हो गया, you know. So the girl sitting in the front row used to get. Anybody else?
Sir, how to keep yourself motivated all time?
Okay, yeah. How to keep yourself motivated at all times. Now, you know, a lot of people think that they have only one aim in life. That's a wrong concept. The concept in your life should be make a aim, improve your soft skill by setting small time goals and reaching these goals, and then ultimately achieving the aim. Reassign aim in your life and redevelop soft skills. When I'm 80, I'll reassign myself some aim. For next 5 years, I need to go for a walk. At 85, I should be walking early in the morning and not, that should be the aim. So what are the soft skills that I would need? I should be physically fit. At the same time, I should be sharp enough not to forget my address and Vandana auntie kya chala gaya. Yeah. So that shouldn't happen. See? So at every stage you will make aim. Aim usually are made with 5-year target in mind. Goals much smaller. So say 1 year, 6 months, I'll reach these goals. Ultimately I'll reach this aim. Reassign. And that way there's always motivation to do better. There's always motivation to do better. The moment you think मैं अफसर बन गया, अब टांग पे टांग, सीटी पे सीटी, फिर हम कभी मोटिवेटेड नहीं रह सकते. हमें तो आगे के बारे में सोचना, इतना आगे भी नहीं सोचना कि मैं प्रेसिडेंट बनना चाहता हूं. वो धीरे धीरे आएगा. लाइक अब्दुल कलाम, स्मॉल डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम आए. सो एज अ स्मॉल चाइल्ड, इफ यू वुड हैव सेड कि मैं इंडिया का प्रेसिडेंट बनना चाहता हूं, people would have laughed at it. But probably once he retired, when he was picked up to be president in the race, he knew that is the aim. Now I got to work for it. Now I got to canvass people. Some people other than NDA have to vote for me because he was an NDA candidate. Right? So at every stage you will assign yourself new aim. You will remain one.
What is good answer for if you are selecting Indian Army and Indian Navy both, then which one you choose first and why?
Okay. You're asking Indian naval retired officer, so naturally the answer is I'll choose Navy. Yeah. But see, I would once again say, know about Army, know about Navy, know about Air Force. You know about your education, soft skills. Then know about service. Which service in the Navy or Army will you join? Then evaluate. Then evaluate. You'll come to the right answer. Because when you join Indian Navy or Indian Army, you're going to stay there for 30, 35 years. It's like, marrying someone. Because for a Fauji, his first marriage is with services. Second marriage is with the lady. In present circumstances, with a man also. Women are also joining answer. Yeah, in my time, the first marriage used to be with the service. Right? So, unless you find this out, you are marrying blindfolded. आजकल के तो बच्चे डेटिंग तक ब्लाइंडफोल्ड नहीं करते हैं। आप तो मैरिज की बात कर रहे हैं ब्लाइंडफोल्डेड, जहां आर्मी अच्छी दिख रही, मतलब एक लड़की को अच्छे कपड़े पहना दिए, दूर से लटका दिया उधर, बोला इसी से शादी करो। I mean, look at so many things that you got to live with this service for 35 years. Does it suit your temperament? Just don't see Army and Navy and Air Force. Within that, there are so many services, say infantry, artillery, armor, flying, being a special force officer. There's so many services. You can choose only if you know about them. Otherwise, you're going blindfold. अब जो होगा देखा जाए. Anybody else?
Hello sir, this is Rakesh Singh. Sir, some people usually says that Allahabad is a rejection center. In my way, according to it, is correct or not?
Oh, lovely. Okay, so a lot of people say Allahabad is a rejection center. Luckily for us, हमारे तो ज़्यादातर स्टूडेंट इलाहाबाद से ही सेलेक्ट होते हैं, बिकॉज भोपाल के स्टूडेंट भोपाल में एसएसबी के लिए नहीं जाते। ये उन लोगों की फैलाई हुई मिसकंसेप्शन है जो लोग एसएसबी फेल होने के बाद अपनी हार का ठीकरा कहीं और फोड़ना चाहते। देखिए, इन ए सर्विस सिलेक्शन बोर्ड एन ऑफिसर स्टेज फॉर 2.5 to 3 years. सो इलाहाबाद में जो अफसर पोस्टेड थे एज ए इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर, एज ए साइकोलॉजिस्ट, एज ए जीटीओ, वो तो 3 साल में निकल गए। नया बैच आया, अब ये निकल गए, अपनी अपनी यूनिटों में चले गए, आर्टिलरी, आर्मर्ड, इन्फेंट्री, जहां उनको जाना था वहां चले गए। तो अब नया बैच आया है, वो भी उतना ही स्ट्रिक्ट है क्या? एंड एनीवे, एवरी ईयर वी हैव एटलीस्ट 2 standardization, that is one all India level, where all selectors assess one batch, and this, if any selector is grading a candidate too high or too low, he is pulled out. A repeated thing, he will be out of this system. So we don't, it's a misconception. Officers regularly get posted out, so that's a total mistake. Any other question? Okay, last one. Yeah.
So if someone is a repeater and he is asked a question, why were you not selected in the previous attempts? So what should be his answer?
True answer should be given. Why was he not selected? Self-analysis. Look at here. Look at this 15 qualities. Which quality you need to improve? You don't know whether they shunted you out because of mental stamina, or determination, or courage, or liveliness, or whatever. That doesn't matter. You at least know these are of my qualities are not as good as my say effective intelligence or reasoning ability or communication skills. That means I need to improve on that. So you have, all of you have a fair idea in which qualities you lack. You have a fair idea, but you don't want to say. Because अगर हम उनको बता देंगे तो उनका डाउट कंफर्म हो जाएगा. It's a misconception. We are never in doubt whether आपकी कोई क्वालिटी किस लेवल पे. हम इतने प्रोफेशनल हैं, जैसे कि डॉक्टर, अगर आप किसी डॉक्टर के पास गए, उसको बताया कि हमें ये सिम्टम है, फिर उसने कुछ टेस्ट किए, ऐसे नहीं दे बोल रहा आपको तो एड्स है, वो कुछ टेस्ट करेगा, टेस्ट करने के बाद वो आपको बोलेगा आपको एड्स है या नहीं है. ये प्रोफेशनल्स मैन, हम ऐसे थोड़ा ना है कि मुझे डाउट है आपको एड्स है. इन्होंने बोला हाँ सर मुझे भी लगता है, देखो कंफर्म हो गया. Okay, so I'll end this session here.